Oh, yes. Oh, yeah.
So awesome!
Today is a very exciting day because I just closed on my very first investment property.
So awesome!
Woo!
I love it.
This is something I've wanted to do for a really long time, and it's finally happened, and we just got the keys. So it's definitely a fixer-upper though. So we got our work cut out for our hands full. Whatever we got a lot of work to do. So we'll take you for a look inside.
Follow me.
Wait. I reckon we should introduce ourselves because this is my first time ever filming myself.
Figure it out.
My name is Bronson, and I just bought a house. I work for a commercial real estate company here in Dallas, and I am hype. Introduce yourself.
My name is Kylie. I am Bronson's girlfriend. We've been dating for 5 years, and I am the stylist of this house.
Yes, I have hired her to be the interior designer. Let's go!
First look, here we go. I don't know, I guess it works.
Hey-oh.
It's insane that such a small
Look how
thing
small
works.
It's the most effective lock ever. Good. Introduce yourself.
My name's Tim. I am the renter of this home.
This is the best room in the house by far. It's so awesome. We're gonna paint all of these walls white, but leave the beams dark. I think we should leave the brick, but we might paint it white. I don't know, it kind of depends. And then I want to paint these bookshelves black and take off this fancy little, whatever it's called. Okay, and then next, there is this little area. We want to make this into a wet bar, like with like wine glasses and hold all of the beverages, stuff like that. So we'll paint it white, replace these, replace the hardware, take off all of this vintagey looking stuff.
So as you can see, we have this gorgeous wallpaper that we will be leaving.
Yes, we will be tearing it down very soon.
This, and it looks like
at
it looks like it might come down. And there's another layer. Nice.
Yeah, the owners told us that there's probably gonna be like 6 layers of wallpaper.
Yeah.
Love that.
So all these carpets are gonna eventually be torn up. This torn up. We're gonna do a lot of cosmetic stuff that you can do cheap, fairly cheap if you do it on your own. So here's the kitchen. I actually kind of like the layout. I think it's got some good potential. Want to rip this off and make it a little more open. Just end up ripping all this out and make little floating shelves. We're gonna do new countertops, paint all the cabinets white.
My favorite part. Ah, it's a vintage oven.
Ooh.
Literally from the 70s. It's so cute and it works. So it's chipping and it's just like really dirty and like obviously used. Like look, it has a little light switch. That's so cute. But I'm going to take this on as my own personal project. And there's a way that you can paint appliances. So I'm gonna sand this down, clean it, make it look brand new. It's gonna look really cool.
So that'll be a cool way to save some money. We're gonna refurbish those, try and find some nice stainless steel on Facebook Marketplace. Same with the vent hood, same with that. So this is gonna be Tim's room, so he's got the mega room in this place, which is pretty cool because it also backs into what is going to be
The garage. Oh, the home gym.
So it's 2.5 baths, so this is the half bath. So we have this little thing. I'd like to paint this white. I guess just leave this just because it's fine. We're trying to do this on a budget. Toilet. Want to do floating shelves here or here somewhere to kind of make a little bit of space. And the world's largest mirror.
I don't think they can really tell how small it is. Yep.
It's pretty
Cute. You just ripped it right off the wall.
Here, present for you.
I'm gonna put that in the garage.
Happy birthday, Tim.
Thank you.
You can see there's wallpaper. Literally every inch of the house has wallpaper. So this is gonna be a project, but it'll be fun. And The cool thing about this is it looks so bad that just taking this off, the house is gonna look a million times better. Literally
Yeah.
just from taking that off. And this looks
Like a
The
trap.
door's actually
Yeah.
kind of cute.
looks like we're up to no good.
Metal house
So
or something. Wait.
here's our second bathroom. So we're gonna do new countertops in here. Paint this white, maybe more floating shelves somewhere for some storage because there's gonna be 4 guys living here. Paint all the doors white. More wallpaper.
Whoa, save it for demo day, man.
Spray some more ceilings.
Look at this freaking granite.
It's not granite.
This
Glitter.
plastic glitter-ness.
The best part.
What's the best part? Oh, yeah.
Carpet in the
That's
bathroom.
not good.
That's like rule number 1.
Yeah, that's not good.
So,
Maybe nice and moldy and-
whatever. Alright, tell them your plan for the bathroom.
Okay, well, first,
Tackle this wall.
rip out this pointless wall that's just like separating the bathroom.
I kind of start to like it the more I look at it. Yeah, it's
Also,
like,
I really
once
think
it's taken poop, I'm
this
just like, how's
bathroom
your day
would
going?
do well with
another mirror.
a
Yes,
sliding
there's
barn
one.
door because there's like room here to do that. And this like opens up like right into the toilet. I just feel like
Oh,
there's
it's
not
a
enough
padded-
space.
Can I see? You never know when you're gonna need to just kind of check yourself out while you're pooping. But padded seat for your butt.
Wow.
And there's a mirror right there.
Yeah, like
So you can
everything
stare at
about
yourself
this
while
is
you
just
poop.
So odd.
Oh, nice. Want to paint these cabinets white. Obviously, get rid of these carpets, put in new floors.
I like how big the mirror is though.
Yeah, mirror's nice and big. Obviously,
Looks like it's new.
again, get rid of all the wallpaper. Probably get rid of this. Paint the trim white. Get rid of the popcorn ceilings. We've been looking up really cool ways to redo countertops.
We found to do like epoxy countertops, which are gonna look like marble, but it's not marble. It's way cheaper to do. And like cutting out and doing the sinks that sit on top of the countertops. You know what I'm talking about?
Just cutting a hole for the attachment.
And it looks really good, and you can do it for a couple $100. So it's really good for like a rental property or something that you want to do for cheap, but you also want it to look nice.
Yeah.
So it's
we'll make
like-
a video on it when we do it because we looked up a lot of videos, but the marble is not gonna be as good as what you girls gonna do.
Yeah. She's got that design. Literally hanging on by a thread. Anyway, so the first room we showed you was mega room. Second room was the master, and now we're in bedroom number 3.
It's pretty small, but you can definitely fit a
It's
bed,
cozy.
a dresser. It's cozy. And it has a pretty big closet, so it's a good size. Nice window with 2 windows for natural light.
Yeah, I mean,
I
there's
think it'll be good.
definitely not a ton to do in here because I
Yeah.
mean it's just a bedroom
But
with
what
no
we definitely
bathroom.
need to do
But
is put fans in all of the bedrooms because that is just crucial for Texas. And then
fan, popcorn
walls.
ceilings, obviously scraped.
paint the baseboards, paint the trim.
Doors are definitely
Rip out
being
the
painted.
carpet. Rip out the carpet. Replace it with all the same flooring throughout the house. So not much to do in like really the bedrooms, but
Yeah, mostly just painting all the walls in the entire house white, painting the baseboards, painting all the doors white. So now we are in bedroom number 4. So this is basically like the other bedroom, bedroom number 3. It's the two smaller bedrooms. Oh, another mirror. Damn!
awesome. Loaded up with mirrors. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. There's only one window in this room though, so
Yeah,
it might seem a little smaller, but yeah, it's a good little house. We're gonna make it as nice as we can for as cheap as we can.
Yes.
So that's the goal.
Ooh, we gotta show my favorite part of the house. This is by far the reason why I thought the house was so awesome. And it has to do with one of these clickers. So, oh, it says right there, it says it. Okay. So the garage whips around the back. So there's not really a ton of grass. It's dark, so I don't know if you can really see, but all right. Kylie's got the phone light, so you can see my favorite part of the house.
Dun, dun, dun.
There's a rock in the way. Look at it go, baby. Yeah.
Wait,
Yeah, look at it go.
broken, right?
What? Oh my
I
F.
think it just floated there.
We got some difficulties.
It came to
Check it out
It's closed.
now. And now. I'm gonna flip out. Check it out now. Are you kidding me? What take is this? Take number 4. All right, different clicker. Take number 5. Wait, but check that. Oh, it's actually going pretty quick. Yeah! Oh, that had some kick to it. Yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah. So that's basically the house. We've got a cool little backyard, a gate, which is my favorite. Lots of work to be done in the kitchen. Tons of work to be done on the ceilings. Lots of work on these walls. And definitely getting rid of these floors. But once it's all said and done and we have this all painted white, looking more modern, cleaned up, and just not so dark and brown, I think it's gonna be really cool.
Our goal is to flip this place as quick as possible and make it look the best that it can for the cheapest amount possible. So we are just fresh out of college and we don't have a lot of money, so yeah, but it should be fun.
Woo!
See you guys in the next video. First house poop. What a good poop.